Alright guys, so we've just removed the carburetor from here. So it's just two bolts here that attach it here at the manifold, to the manifold, whatever. I'm going to give this a clean and then remove the float bowl and see what's wrong with it. We're told it's just flooding and overflowing, so yeah, hopefully an easy enough fix. So just going to take it apart now and clean it. We think the float bowl is just getting stuck somehow, so yeah, we're going to investigate that now. G-string cleaning method.
Yeah. It's got to go into this little aperture here.
So we took the float needle out, gave that a clean, and it's a lot better now. And we have the main jet here, just giving it a bath, and we'll pop it back in. So we just removed the main jet from the float bowl here, and then there's this check valve which sits under, so we'll just clean both of them and then clean out this hole as well. Alright, so that's the car back together and cleaned. So I'm just going to offer it back up to the manifold here and tighten everything back up, and then tomorrow we'll try and start it and see if it's still leaking or not. So we're just after dragging the bike outside. I'm going to reinstall the exhaust and tank, and then we're going to try and turn it over, make sure the carb isn't leaking. At the end of the last video I left on the cliffhanger. We didn't get the master cylinder working, so it was leaking, but we have all the parts ordered from Germany, so they should be coming in the next few weeks, and hopefully we'll get it working.
I can smell fuel.
Where's the overflow?
But that's like guaranteed fuel. Okay, so it works. All this gun just come out of the tank. We've cleaned the carb and we've established that the fuel is not getting into the bowl, we found out that the float needle is got gunge on it, and then we drained some fuel from the tank directly through this muslin cloth into a petrol can, and this is the stuff we're left with coming out of the tank.
And I also cleaned the float bowl yesterday, and it's filthy again, so we suspect this is our problem. Right, we're just after removing the petcock. That's the absolute state of it.
I think that side is probably worse than the other side.
Yeah.
Although there's not much in it. And that will be part of the reason why it took so long to drain the tank as well.
We're going to be doing some electrolysis to try and save this tank. Bring it back to life. The inside of it's dreadful, so yeah, we'll see what happens.
We are doing the Frankenstein effect. We have discovered that unfortunately this beautiful petrol tank may be beautiful from the outside, but from the inside it is just full of rust. So we're going to use electrolysis to get rid of the rust. And what we have here is we have the tank itself set up as the cathode, the negative side, and we have this sacrificial anode here, which is a knife, a kitchen knife, and that is the anode. That goes over to a battery, 12 volt car battery, which goes over to a charger, which keeps it charged. In the tank we have a solution of water, tap water, and washing soda to make it into an electrolyte. And if we look in the top of the tank here, we can see just here, just barely see, there's little bubbles rising, and that means that it's working. What's going to happen is the rust is going to move itself from the inside of the tank, and it's going to deposit itself onto the knife, and we probably shouldn't use the knife in the kitchen anymore. Things might taste bad if we cut them with it. We shall leave this for 24 hours and revisit it tomorrow. It's fizzing away nicely here, so we should be in a better position tomorrow. And we may need to change the electrolyte solution in it, maybe every day or two until it comes up nice and clean. But yeah, we'll keep you posted on as to how our Harley Frankenstein tank is working out.